like to prove the law of cosine, and we're going to use a triangle to prove it. So first, we're going to write this formula. We have x to the power of 2 plus h to the power of 2 equals a to the power of 2, and that is the same as h to the power of 2 equals a to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2. Yes. And then for the red triangle, this one was for the white triangle, and then for the red triangle, the formula is b minus x to the power of 2 minus h to the power of 2 equals c to the power of 2, which is the same, and I don't know if there's room, so we're going to continue down here. It's the same as h to the power of 2 equals c to the power of 2 minus b minus x to the power of 2. Yes. From this, we can isolate h, and we isolate by adding h to the power of 2. So we're going to do that, and then we're left with a minus x to the power of 2 equals c to the power of 2 minus b minus x to the power of 2. Yeah. Yes, and then the last part is we want to have c to the power of 2 to be, be isolated, and we can do that by again adding b minus x to the power of 2. So we say, this will then be the result when we've added. So it's a minus x to the power of 2 plus b minus x to the power of 2 equals c to the power of 2.
We still have to solve the parentheses, and the way we do that is to take a to the power of 2 and subtract with x to the power of 2, and then we do some changes, which is b to the power of 2, which you can see is we just like do some changes, and do x to the power of 2, and then we have subtract with 2ex, which is equal c to the power of 2. To remove negative x to the power of 2 and negative x to the power of 2, we just added them and then they just disappeared. That's how we did it, and then we need to solve the angle C. The angle C in the white triangle, which is this one, is equal cosine C, which is equal x divided with a, and that is the same as cosine C times a, which is equal x. And this can be inserted to the equation above, which is this one, and then it goes like a to the power of 2 added with b to the power of 2, subtract with 2 times b times cosine c times a, which is equal c to the power of 2. And then we do some changes so it kind of looks like the cosine equation as we know it, which is c to the power of 2 equal a to the power of 2 added b to the power of 2, subtract with 2 times b times a equal cosine c.
So this was the proof?
Yes, this was the proof. Yeah. Now we gotta prove the law of sine, and we have the equation sine A, which is going to be equal h divided with c, and that is the same as writing h equal sine times c. And now we divide with h. We have sine c, which is equal h divided with a, which is the same as writing h equals sine c times a.
And because they both equal h, I'm talking about these two, we can equal them to each other, so it'll be sine c times a equals sine a times c, and then what we did was we got rid of the h, or because it was the same, and that is the same, or then we can continue on and say sine c divided by c equals sine a divided by, oh geez, a. And then we have proved the law of sine. Proven?